video. Today we're gonna make a DIY torch, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first step is get 4 pieces of cloth about 1 inch that way and 5 inches that way or more, and then you're gonna wrap it around the stick. Actually, wait. And tie it. And then keep doing that, but each time either do it higher or lower. So like I did that one, then I'm gonna do it lower. Like this. One second, sorry. And then tighten that one. And at the end, you should have a stick with about 4 pieces of cloth. Okay, so now that I finished, we have this. It kind of looks horrible, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. I saw it on another channel, King of Random, link in the description. And yeah, let's get started. And then you're gonna have to get a gallon bag like this. Ziploc gallon bag. Take lighter fluid. I'm just using Tiki Torch because it uses about the same, well, it works the same. Then you pour it in the bag. Remember, be really careful. Then you get your stick and you should then soak the cloth in the Tiki Torch, in the lighter fluid. Then take it out of the bag. It still might be wet, and then hopefully this will work. And you got yourself a homemade torch. We should probably move this. Whoa. Is that normal? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.